Number 6, my 6th tip, if you are building a pod style gym in the back of your clinic, you want to use very efficient use of space and you want some tools that'll help out, I can't say enough good things about foam yoga blocks. They're lightweight, you can stack them up to put a kettlebell on top to bring the kettlebell up off the floor for somebody doing deadlifts. You can use them to help people with more comfortable wrist positions when they're doing push-ups, right? So some women, I worked with a lot of female golfers and they have really beat up wrists. So these allow for some different positions to get more comfort in your push-ups. But a set of 2 foam yoga blocks, I like foam better than cork or anything else. These are also, as society becomes more litigious, these are a great insulator if you want to cue somebody, tap on them with the foam, it spreads out the force and there's no direct body contact. If that's something that you're worried about, or maybe that you're a male coach working with a lot of junior high and high school female athletes, we can't dismiss those things. So a couple foam blocks. Again, I got purple because I don't want black getting disappeared. All right, so I love those yoga blocks and I put them right here. All right, yoga blocks. Thanks so much for checking out these videos. I hope they're useful. We'll cover things like rehab, exercise, business model, progressions, layout, everything else that helps you build a clinic. So if you're interested, you can click here, there to get more videos just like this.